Hi there, it's a bit late this video. It's, as you can see, a Mk1 Escort into a ute, as it were. Well, it was PB Retro Restorations. Peter, he put it in for a comp. It was challenged. What he had to do was make a British vehicle into a ute, Aussie style, and this is what he come up with. And then he contacted me and said, would I like it? And of course I'm never going to turn him down. So it's in my collection now. Thank you very much, Peter. Also got his magazine as well. Oh, look at that. So over here it's a full Escort Mk1 pickup. Out there it's a Ford Ute in Aussie. But yeah, if you go over to his channel and look him up, you can actually see the build on now. And it caused him a bit of grief as well, but you'll see that if you watch. So yeah, PB's Restorations. Head over to see Peter's other stuff and that, his videos. He also sent me this magazine, and in the magazine it's got a card, and you can make build your own. There you go, cardboard, and then you can make your own Escort up. Out of that. Great mag. So yeah, I really appreciate this. Peter, thank you very much, and very kind of you. So yeah, pop over Peter's and have a look. PB's Retro Restorations. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Cheers, mate.